Hello guys, my name is Văn Khoa. I am from TRÉNG Secondary School. I am studying in class 6-1 in Da Nang City, located in Vietnam. Today I am going to be talking about science and astronomy. So, science is probably the most complex thing ever known to humanity because science synthesizes all the information about every existing thing on Earth and in space, and because of this massive amounts of information that science provides, it has to be divided into many different sectors in order to store all the different information about it. But in my personal opinion, I think the most exciting one has to be astronomy, and today I am going to be talking about astronomy. So, astronomy focuses on space, the dark void existing outside Earth. Our current goal is to bypass the speed of light or anything faster than that to go outside the universe to travel to the multiverse or even the multiverse or even go to an alternate dimension. This is currently not possible due to tech not being advanced enough. Well, it will be in the far future, I guess, but Einstein once said, nothing with mass can be accelerated to the speed of light. And as we hear that, we realize that we need to travel even faster than the speed of light to even travel between galaxies, let alone between the universe. If you're not really into that, then I can tell you about some different things in astronomy. Firstly, we have constellations. Constellation is a cluster of stars in the skies at a specific spot when nighttime comes. Knowing which direction constellation rises can really help you out in a situation of being lost in the wilderness. Secondly, if you don't really like constellation but still like outer space object, then there's massive space object with huge mass like a black hole, white hole, wormhole, nebula, neutron star, and a lot more. So overall, it's really divergent. But if we manage to achieve interstellar traveling, which is our current main goal, then we might take it a step further by invading another civilization. Well, I'm not saying that I support violence, but this is just a theory, so we might invade another civilization. For this, we'll need extremely strong weapons. For example, it could be anything like an antimatter bomb, laser gun, or anything like that. Those weapons have to be capable of causing mass destruction in order for us to face against a whole civilization, which is not something very quite easy. So, in conclusion, astronomy right now is really not that helpful, but in the far future, it will be extremely useful and it will be used for multiple purposes. So, thank you guys for listening to my presentation.